My name's Karl Bergstrom. I'm the president of Bergstrom Aircraft. We're located at the Tri-Cities Airport in Pasco, Washington. Bergstrom Aircraft started out in 1971, so we're celebrating 50 years this year. It was an aircraft maintenance shop initially, and then we expanded to include flight lessons, aircraft refueling, scenic flights, aerial photography. Anything to do with aviation, we do it. One of the most popular services that we provide is a scenic flight over the Tri-Cities. We have people that come from all over to see the Tri-Cities from the air, which is the best way to see it. You can fly over the vineyards, you can see the river, of course. We go out to Juniper Forest. There is absolutely spectacular views here in the Tri-Cities on these scenic flights. What's great about taking a scenic flight is I don't think you can experience anything like that here in the Tri-Cities except at Bergstrom Aircraft. We have very experienced pilots. We've got routes that we follow to be able to show the highlights of the community to those that are on the scenic flight. It's just a fantastic experience that you can't find anywhere else. We look forward to seeing everybody here at Bergstrom's. Can't wait to take each of you flying. And our motto, our slogan is, "We offer you the sky." So hopefully you'll come out and enjoy that with us.